Reflections like an ice cold bath, but the water's feeling good this time. And I hate that I misread you, boy, but I can't resist no crossing the signs when you're an open invitation to a heartache, a painful kind of good. I should just leave alone, but it's too late. Back where I started out, not a lot to show, just memories. But I took what I could get from you. Now I'm off to fill the void. You see, I got a habit I can't break, so it does all the breaking. And a heart that's slow to heal, 'cause I fall for the ones who are taken. You take